What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out the smallest Class C motorhome on the market. This is the Thor Quantum SE19. Alright, so this Class C is pretty incredible. It's got a lot of cool features for being only 20 feet. This right here is the floor plan. As you can see, there's a U-shaped dinette in the back, a bunk over the cab, a wet bath, and it is $59,999 here at the Florida RV Super Show. The total tip-to-tip length is 20 feet 5 inches. You've got a fiberglass front cap, and this RV sits on the Ford E350 chassis with a 7.3-liter V8 Godzilla engine. You've got a 11-foot awning on the campsite, which basically covers the entire length. You've got some underbelly storage here in the back, and then on the very back of this RV, you have a hitch that tows, I believe, 8,000 pounds, and then you have a backup camera as well as the Lippert ladder prep. So this RV, the specs that I gave you is pretty much all I have right now because the full specs haven't come out yet. But let's go ahead and check out the inside of this RV. So up front, you've got the inside of the Ford E350 cab. It's pretty standard because this isn't a really fancy RV, and that's why it makes it so affordable. Up front, you've got the bunk over the cab. You've got a window on one side and then a swivel TV on the other. So there's one bed. You've got some cabinet space up above the door. Then you have a kitchen, flip-up countertop. You've got a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner cooktop, lots of cabinet space on the bottom and up on the top. You also have a microwave, which is just crazy that this RV, for being so small, has a full kitchen. And then check this out, you've got wraparound windows on all sides, cabinets up above, and then you have a really large U-shaped dinette that drops down into a bed. You've got some cabinet space behind the seats and underneath of the seats, and then you've got this little cabinet over here with a mirror on the front, but lots of storage in this RV. And then the best part is you have a refrigerator that is huge. And then you have the bathroom. Now this right here is the wet bath. It's pretty good size. I'm not a fan of these, but you still have a sink, a shower, a toilet, so I think they did a really good job in being able to give a bathroom, 2 beds, and a full kitchen in an RV this small. I mean, this RV fits in a parking space, which is just crazy. What do you guys think about this Class C? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.